Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to enhance your travel experience, the Garvee Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. We found this handy item online, and you can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what is this product? The Garvee Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag is a versatile and spacious soft-shell cargo carrier, boasting an impressive 21 cubic feet of storage capacity. This bag is designed to provide you with ample space for all your gear while you're on the go, whether it's for a weekend getaway or a long road trip. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, the construction of this cargo bag is sturdy and robust. Made from heavy-duty, tear-resistant fabric, it features heat-welded seams that enhance its durability. This ensures that your belongings stay safe and secure, no matter how bumpy the road gets. Another significant aspect is its waterproof capabilities. The Garvee cargo bag has reinforced seams and waterproof zippers, which means your cargo will be shielded from rain and moisture. You can travel through unpredictable weather with peace of mind, knowing that your items are protected from the elements. When it comes to installation, this bag shines with its easy setup. It comes with an anti-slip mat and adjustable straps, allowing you to install it quickly without the need for complicated tools. Once you're done using it, the bag folds compactly for convenient storage, making it a practical choice for anyone with limited space. Who is this product suitable for? The Garvee Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag is perfect for a variety of vehicles, whether you drive an SUV, sedan, hatchback, or truck. It's an ideal solution for families, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing extra storage for road trips, camping excursions, or even moving houses. If you're gearing up for an adventure and need that extra space, this cargo bag is designed to meet your needs. Practical use cases abound with this cargo carrier. Imagine loading it up with camping gear for a weekend in the great outdoors, or using it to transport luggage for a family vacation. It can also serve as a reliable storage solution for sports equipment or holiday decorations when you're not on the road. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Garvee Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag is a versatile, durable, and convenient option for anyone in need of additional storage while traveling. With its sturdy construction, waterproof features, and easy installation, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped